Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix iPhone vibration not working issue after iOS 17 update. Is your iPhone vibration not working after iOS 17 update? Many users have complained that their iPhone is not vibrating in ring or doesn't vibrate while on silent. In this video I will show you how you can easily fix vibration not working problem on iPhone after the new iOS 17 update. Our first step is make sure vibration is enabled on your iPhone. Before trying any other troubleshooting steps, you need to make sure vibration is turned on. Open your setting app on your iPhone, then go back and then go to your accessibility, scroll down and then tap on touch, scroll down. Now you can see your option vibration. If it's disabled, then simply enable it. Then change the vibration pattern. If your iOS 17 device is not vibrating after trying the solution, make sure you have selected a vibration pattern. For this, go to settings and then go to sound and haptics. Now tap on ring. Now tap on haptics and now from here you have to select any of this option. You select any of one. After selecting this and you're still facing the same issue again and again, then you have to take off your iPhone case. If you're using a magnetic cover on your iPhone, it can cause problem with the vibration. Remove the cover and it should fix the problem. Then you have to disable do not disturb mode and low power mode. If do not disturb mode or low power mode is turned on your iOS 17 device, then your vibration might not work. Make sure to turn them off. For turning them off, simply you have to go back, then go to your battery, and you can see your option low power mode. If it's enabled, then simply disable it, and then for disabling do not disturb, go to your control center and you can see your option do not disturb. If it's turned on, then simply turn it off. After applying this all issue and you're still facing the same issue, again and again, then you have to restart your iPhone. Sometimes vibration not work after iOS 17 update. Problem can happen due to some minor software glitch. Give your iPhone a start and it could fix the issue. By starting your iPhone, you have to go back and then go to your general, scroll down and tap on shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then try to restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. After applying this all solution you're still facing the same issue, then it's now large you have to try last step, reset all iPhone settings. If nothing else works, it's time to reset all settings on your iPhone. This problem can happen due to some settings malfunction that can be fixed by performing a reset. Tap on your transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset all settings, enter your passcode and try to fix your issue. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.